Hello, hello, and welcome to Tazmaniavibes. Today we are at the UK's Texas Chainsaw Massacre house. This place is full of dead animals everywhere and it stinks so bad. Just looking for a way to get in, an easy way to get in, not like that.
This bed.
I'm excited.
Smells fun.
Look. Oh yeah, it's freezing. We are. Floor's falling. I'm here with Casey and Steph. Mr. Mickey and Bexham and Sean are on their way to come join us. Let's get into it. Wow, very old.
Is that the skin? Just see it. No.
Look at these papers, proper hoarder. What have we done here? Ooh, that's a mango. Wow, look at that mango. That's cool. An old sink. Some drawers. Wow. Wow.
Skin. I've got
Skin.
yeah, from that door.
Look. Skull. Found first skull. Wow. Viewers' discretion is advised, people. Viewers' discretion is advised. Oh, chainsaw. It's right in front of us and we didn't even see it.
I did. I said, "There's the chainsaw."
Oh,
and you
I didn't
went
see
to
it.
pictures.
Oh, sorry. There's the chainsaw. Some hooks. Yeah, hooks. Wow. That is cool. Where's the skin?
On the door.
What door? Oh, there. Oh. Wow. That there is animal skin. Juicer. Oh, the dogs. It's cute. Oh. There's a school down there. Oh, there's a hole in the floor. Ooh. I think they'll find that more creepy than anything, to be fair. Where are you?
I'm in here. Sniffing the skin.
She's sniffing the skin, guys. She's sniffing the skin.
Oh, it does smell a bit like death and shit.
That's a nice little bench. Hey, how's it hanging? This guy's the skin. Does it whiff? Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit.
I can't smell it. That's gross. Look.
Gone really eerie down there.
Era.
Yeah. Oh, another skull.
Oh, we found some. Oh, shoes. Some pictures. Oh, look, there are all the tags for the animals. They're cute little bottles. There's another welly boots like Mr. McGregor. Oh, it is a bit eerie down, isn't it?
Well,
Oh, look, bells. Oh, another skull.
I've got a picture of it. Don't know where to stand.
I know.
These are bottles full of pills.
I don't know, that's what I thought. More bottles. Oh, that's nice.
I know, it's a big fucking piano.
Hey.
Kimmy.
Oh, look at that. Artwork. There's pictures everywhere. There's fire glasses. Some antiques. Antiquities. Department of Environmental, Food and Rural Affairs. She's going to awaken the spirits of the animals.
Stay down. I want to go.
Da, 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 da. This. I think this is all bottles of piss. You always find bottles of piss. Oh, is that from the funeral? I think that's the lady that lived here. Maybe. Oh, Eiffel Tower. Loads of antiques. Wow. Oh, look at the candlesticks. Look at that.
That's what I wanted to do.
That's beautiful, yeah.
Dracula style.
Yeah. Phantom of the Opera. Love it. Wow.
Some good scenics.
Some bottles. Yeah, I know.
The windows. Oh.
Beaut. That's beaut.
I'm liking it.
Some nice older chairs. Look, I'll just give you a little sweep of the room. Oh, found bones in the boxes. This up the curtains. Chairs. There's a bone in the box, guys. Oh, go on here. Oh. Wow. The cobwebs. That is nice. This is like heaven for me. I've always been dying, absolutely dying, to find a place that's been untouched and got dead things in it. If you've been following any of my videos, I've always been wanting to find something dead, and both 2 in 1 happy days. Oh, they used the sofa to barricade that door shut.
2002.
The whiskey bottle. Oh, that is nice. Wow. Look at the doorways.
There's a bike in here.
A Viking?
A bike.
Don't forget this
Fucking
kitty.
biking, yeah.
Wow. Cute little chair. Oh, yeah, there's a bag. See that? All these old newspapers.
You see the little bone in the back?
Oh,
It's
no,
not
I don't
cool.
see it, no.
I think it's a bone, it's a little sharp one.
Little bone in the box. Oh, yeah. There's a little bone in the box. Is that a racket? That's a racket.
Yeah, old racket, isn't it?
Proper old racket.
That racket, yeah. Oh, this is airy. It's airy in here.
Light switches. We're going to go check the upstairs out a bit. Mary had a little lamp on the wall.
Oh, you bastard.
What?
Love it.
That is creepy. I love it. It's in the chair. Wow. That mirror. What have we got in here? Who's that? That's cool. Hey. He's happy with a fish sticking out of his stomach. Interesting. Wow. Now look at this beauty.
It's like a fucking banjo.
When I'm cleaning windows. It's nice. These old pictures.
Little drum.
I wonder if she haunts the place. Do you think it's haunted?
Oh, fucking
Our little pets. Oh. Yee.
oh!
What?
Floor moved.
There's a little camera there. It's cute. Did it? Oh yeah, it looks a bit sunky there. Yeah, be very careful.
These bobs.
Yeah, that's that sheep bob. Yeah, there's a banjo, isn't it?
Yeah.
All these antiques. is so cool. These books. Fucking love books, especially old books. Are we doing the stairs? Stair?
Are we going to double tap?
Yeah. I don't want to die today. Are you coming up? We are. Wow. Oh, there's a little teddy bear over there. Oh, it's a present. And the hat, the top hat. Stairs. Oh, yeah, that floor's a bit collapsing. Huh?
Is this going back downstairs?
Yeah.
Do you know what house this reminds me of?
What?
Miss Trunchbull's and Matilda.
Oh, it does a
Yeah,
bit.
she's got that little staircase that goes back downstairs into the basement.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of.
All these clothes. Bed. Fireplace. It's all pink. Wow. It's amazing.
Bit holy floor. I don't think I'm going to go in the actual room
No.
because there's holes.
That picture's a bit creepy.
But the floor. I mean walls.
I don't go to bed.
It's holes lot. Cute room.
It is what it is.
Well,
The stairs. You went, it is what it is, isn't it?
yeah, creepy pictures.
Pictures.
Clear a fly. Yeah, is that the Queen?
Is that the only kids that she stole? Ooh.
It is. I bet that's the 100 fucking kids she stole. But it is. Look how creepy that is. Sure, that's her. There in the middle. Is it? I'm not sure.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Is it a vintage though? Ooh. What's that? Can you see it?
What's that? Wow.
There's two of them. Oh, it's different. That's a different one.
Oh, that's wicked. That's on this side. Wicked.
That's cool. Put it back on the floor. Back on the floor. It's not really home yet. Careful that door.
Also,
Wow.
wow.
Four-posted bed.
Do we go in or not?
No, it's the window. Straight above someone's over there.
Who dressed this?
It's him.
Yeah. It's a shame it's like
Yeah.
tights, cards. Happy 80th. It's having focusing difficulties. Oh yeah.
Right.
The wind blowing the wallpaper. Ooh. What's this one? cute. Oh, look at the diary. What's that? Matches as well.
Something like that says.
No idea. I hadn't seen him.
Stay. Carry on.
This way. Or is that the wind? Creepy picture. French. Je m'appelle. Oh look, right in. Oh, satchel. Love a satchel. Oh wow. That's cute. It's cute, isn't it?
Wow.
Look at these pictures.
I don't know.
What?
That's stuff from
No,
April.
Belgium.
I know, yeah.
Made to last then.
Got a fluffy blue outline there, look.
These birthday cards.
Yeah. Teddy in a bag. Teddy in a
I
bag.
thought it was a two-headed woman one.
What?
I don't know, that picture.
Siamese twins.
Yeah. Double tap, double tap. If in doubt, double tap.
Ugh. These birthday cards.
You have to press it.
Yeah. Seven. It's the mirror. Close.
Guys, wait until we get downstairs. That's where the gruesome is.
Oh, look at that.
I found a GR eggs bag now.
Look at the view.
Tiny bag, look how small this bath is. You need to put the camera on there, because that's bath's
I know Bath's a small bit.
Oh yeah. Wow.
It's a tiny little bath, isn't it? Yeah.
Hello?
Stairs.
Oh, we've come out here.
Oh yeah.
Pheasant.
Isn't.
Scared of this fucking floor. Don't like this floor. Guys, this place is collapsing, by the way. It's dangerous. Don't do it. where we was looking to crawl into, but obviously we can't. But it's a cool hat.
It's a cool hat, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm going down that way.
There's some bones. Let's see the leg.
Oh yeah. Bones. Okay, so
What?
you missed that. Just then.
What's that?
Ooh. Nice.
What's that? Take a picture of it there.
Juicer.
Why the two hot guys? Two hot instead. Picture.
And tiki tikis. It's like a beehive made of paper. Ooh.
January 1998, guys.
Yeah, bad. Don't go my way. In that room.
Oh Christ.
So many tins of beans. Hold on. Big wardrobe.
Bones.
Bones.
Bonage. I'm trying to get a picture.
I'm trying to get a still foot.
Mind your foot.
Want a torch? Ooh, lots of bones. Wow.
How's a little bone?
It's what these empty spaces are, and the bones are there.
Look at that. It's not focusing again. Focus. There we go. Bones galore.
Oh look, it's a gollywog. They're not loud anymore.
Yeah, look in there.
Where?
Oh, more bones there.
Where?
More bones. I don't want to
These all
stand.
piss.
Gotcha.
Dark piss. Holy piss, that is, isn't it?
That's cool. Ah, socks. Unopened socks.
Feel fresh.
Yeah. Are you alright there?
Yeah, it's just one look at that one.
Wow. That one's cool.
Spin on one foot.
Ew, one of them leaked.
Oh.
It has, look.
No. No, I'm not looking.
That's cool.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Mm.
1990.
Wow. Oh yeah.
I can't believe that smell it. It doesn't actually smell old.
It just smells damp.
Yeah, it's alright now. Trust me, it didn't.
No, I bet it didn't. Ooh. Cornflakes.
Oh,
I bought those bowls and everything. Spoons. Chesty cough.
What's that? A bit of fucking whisker?
Yeah, I pulled the fridge door fell off it, and then I pulled that out of it. Well, I didn't pull it out, I got something to talk to it, man.
Oh, ooh.
Dress is now hanging in there. That your foot. That's the
That's what's come out of it. Big piece of bone.
Oh,
Side
nice.
Fucking head or something, man.
Juicer.
Oh, man. Oh. John's found another freezer full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it.
Really? You kidding?
Oh, you can smell it as well.
Stuff
Oh.
Jesus, what do you do? What do you expect to find in it?
What's in it? What's in it?
Oh man.
You always come to want coffee and stuff like that, though. I can't get my phone.
Beaut.
Oh, that's the stairs.
Yeah?
That's the stairs.
Another bone. Another bone on the floor. Bones everywhere.
There's a bone on my floor.
Look at the box. That is beaut.
Look. What the fuck was that?
What?
It just flew past me.
Oh, it's probably a bird. There was a bird flying around. That is creepy. Love it.
Oh, God, you're not even. You're about to put your pockets in my
Oh shit. Wow.
Why is it it's so greasy.
It's out of focus again. There we go. Look at that. Nice bit of joint there for you. Sunday roast.
Put that on a bit of bread.
Is that another one? Yes.
Got a fader in the doorway.
Stuff's dying over there.
Is that a bone?
Yeah, you just stood on one and all. So I think that's a jawbone by the looks of it.
There's a bone. Can't know for bones in here. No.
We've been down there, have we?
No. It's a little fucking bird cruising about.
Ooh. Dusty.
Oh yeah.
It's Taj Mahal. Ooh, they're cute. Is that Hitler? No.
I thought that at first, so it's got some on the film.
It's not.
Imagine Hitler's portrait. Just chilling. Any bones? Any bones? Any bones? Any bones? Any bones?
Ooh, are they bones over there, right in the corner?
Let's go and have a look.
There's the floor.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, wood. No. I really thought that was bones.
Ugh, creepy picture.
Where are those big ass skeletons?
Big ass.
Big ass skeletons. The bucket. Your bucket. Your bucket. Bucket.
Good wishes at Christmas.
That's cute. We've been in there, we haven't been in there. Oh, is that a spine? Just there. Sorry.
Oh,
That's a spine.
of what though?
An animal.
Snake spine. Is it a snake? It's got a little head on it. What's that down there?
Shall I touch it?
Is it a snake? What is it?
Don't know.
It's got a fucking head.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay,
The camera keeps on focusing. Yeah, we're back in here again. This one is coughing. So look at
You
that.
couldn't stand it in there. Loads of shit's coming here.
TGI Fridays. Look at that. Oh yeah, juice.
Bone.
Bone.
Big bone.
Big bone.
2 bones.
Ooh, they're leg bones, isn't that?
Mm.
They'll be leg bones.
Gotta be. Looks like it would have been an axe.
Watch your head.
Why? What is it?
No, look here, right above you. Turn your head, but does it look up? Just here.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Careful.
Some sore shit that is, like it.
Don't want you to be
Get
hooked up on
excited.
this.
Stop it.
Yeah. She's orgasming. Excellent.
Oh!
Hammer.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, look at them. They're cool.
My grandma knitted me a Gollywog jumper when I was about 3 years old.
That is cool. Big ass sheep's head. All bones. Big ass chainsaw. This is cool. What's that? Is that skin? Oh, it's soft.
Leatherette.
Leatherface. What can we make out of that?
Belt.
Shoe.
A shoe. Blindfold. A skin jockstrap. Very comfortable. It's like you're not wearing anything else.
Anything at all. Do apologise guys, but my camera keeps unfocusing for some absolute nonsense reason. Ooh, big bone. And again,
Bone edge.
proper bone edge.
Bone edge. I'd love to see this working. This would have been fucking amazing.
It would.
You've got skin on your bag.
Have I?
Yeah, it's rested on your back.
No, this one's completely
I got the skin on my bag.
Thanks. Yeah.
Right guys, well that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was full of bones, like crazy, absolutely crazy. Not sure about the backstory of this house, but it stinks. Not as bad as I thought it was, but it does actually stink. But hey ho, you get what you get, and it was well worth it, absolutely well worth it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I shall see you next time in the next video.